Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. This is a DevOps Pro Junction YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about a deployment in Kubernetes. Before that, I'm making lot of videos with effort related to cloud and DevOps. I believe these videos are helpful. If you find these videos are helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel and follow for the more videos. It will be encourage me to make lot of videos. Let's dive into the topic. So, deployment in Kubernetes. So, what is the deployment in Kubernetes? When it comes to the deployment, so it is the resource, one of the resource in Kubernetes, we can say. So, it is the method to create your pods. So, that's what we are calling it as a deployment. Okay. And also, we use it to manage the pods using this deployment. How we can create this deployment? We can create this deployments using the YAML file, or you can create with the JSON files. And so why we use this deployment? So we are using the deployment in Kubernetes to manage your pods, scale your pods, update your applications to the next version without worrying about your underlying infrastructure. So that is what we are using. For example, you can use the any on-premises environment, you can use any one of the cloud. It can be AWS, Azure, GCP, or whatever cloud you can use it. Using this deployment, you can manage anywhere with your pods basically. And it also going to give you make you the easier release of the new features and updates with this particular application. So for that only we are using. So let's see the demo with practical things. So I have created already the deployment file here. You can see now. So this is our deployment file. I also added this file into my GitHub profile. I will give you the link. You can go and make it as a star, so you can if any changes happen, you will also get notified with the particular changes. So here we have the API version and the kind is deployment. So this is what something important here. And we are giving the metadata value, and here we are specifying the replicas count. So replica set, if you don't know about that, you can go and check the replica set and the daemon set video in my previous videos. You can understand more about that. So replicas, which is that you are replicating your pods into multiple times. And we have the template, and here we have the container configuration. We are using the nginx image in the 1.14.2, and we are going to also do the deployment with 1.16.1, which is something with the rollout part. I am also going to show you. And we are using the container port as a 80. We can do the deployment using the kubectl command here. This is the command you can use, kubectl apply -f command. Once you given this, you can see now its deployment got created. To see your deployment, you can use this command. This command will show you what are the deployments you have. I'm using the default namespace. I have not created any namespace, so that's why everything is under the default namespace. And here total we have total 3 pods, and 3 out of 3 are running, and it is already on ready status. And you can see these pods using kubectl get pods command. All these pods are running. And if you want to see these pods into more detailed, you can use this deployment describe command. This will help you to understand the entire configuration which you have given in the deployment file. And here we have the name details and namespace details, labels, and the select as details. We have total user 3 replicas, and here we are using the port details and everything. This is give you something, the description describing your deployment. And next we are going to see how this deployment going to help you to manage your applications. For that, now I'm going to show you with something on the practical deployment method. Before that, I'm going to change the nginx version with the deployment file. So currently it is with 1.14.2. I'm going to change it as a 1.16.1, and you can see with this file now I have changed to 1.16.1. Let me check the current pods which got all running. So currently we have total 3 pods which is running on 1.14.2 version. Now what we are going to do, we are going to change the replica count now. Currently it is on 3. Now I'm going to change it as a 5. Let me apply this configuration. You can see now it got configured, and let me check the pod count. So now the pod count is changed to 5. I'm going to show you one practical thing. For that I have some theoretical stuff. So this is going to use the rolling update. So in this rolling update, total currently we have 1.16.1 version, total 5 pods, and we are going to change to 1.14.2. First, what it will do? First, it will create one pod, then it will create the old pod once it becomes successful. Then it will create the another pod, then it will terminate the old pod. So this is how like it will create one by one. So let's see in the practical method. So for that I'm going to edit this deployment file again. From I'm going to change the image from 1.14.2 to 1.16.1, and let me check the pod count. Total we have 5 pods. I'm going to do apply first of all. Once I apply, let me check the pod. So you can see in these things, so it is creating once terminated, then it's creating, then it's again terminating, then it is creating. So like that it is doing the deployment. So in case of if you changing your applications or you are changing something images on your pod, then the deployment will help you like this. And also you can using kubectl get deployment details. You can see the deployment what you have currently. So currently currently we have only the deployment of 5 replicas, which is the deployment name of nginx deployment. So this is how the deployment will work. I believe this video is helpful about to understand the deployment. So if you find this videos helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and follow for the more videos. I will see you on the next topic with the Kubernetes.